Balancing state intervention and market freedom is the need for developing countries. Kindly write. There's no need for much discussion here. We need to have public-private partnerships, right? Bring a much sense perspective. Bring so many scholars are there. They all are somewhere supporting the idea that what is the way out? What is the future? It's market and state, and not market versus state. Even new public management models or public value approaches, right? They are based on these assumptions that there is a need for better and more, balanced integration of the public-private relationships, right? So investment, technology, upgradation, reforms, they all are being done with this perspective. We are creating joint enterprises between public-public and public-private and public-private-private and likewise. So they're all somewhere moving towards collective responsibility, right, rather than individual systems.